Hello student, today our topic is solution of linear equation by matrix method. In class 10 you have read solution of linear equation by algebraic method and there you have read three methods. Here we have to find solution of linear equation by matrix method. In my last class I have also discussed solution of linear equation by matrix method and solved some question of exercise 4.6. Here is two questions. First is from 2019 CBSE and second is 2017 CBSE. Question is, if A is equal to 111, 102, 311, then find A inverse. Hence, solve this system of linear equation which is x plus y plus z is equal to 6, x plus 2z is equal to 7 and 3x plus y plus z is equal to 12. And next question is, use product. We have to use this product and using this product we have to find solution of two equations. First from here and second from here. So we will try to solve this. See the steps of the method. See here our question is, if A is given 111, 102, then find A inverse. So what is to calculate A inverse? First you have to find determinant of A. Determinant of A can be written as determinant of 111, 102, 311. So this can be written as 1 into 0 minus 2, 0 minus 2, 1 into 0 minus 2, minus 1 into 1 minus 6, 1 minus 6, plus 1 into 1 minus 0, 1 minus 0. So this will be your minus 2 plus 5 plus 1. So 5 plus 1 6 minus 2 4. So you have got value of determinant is equal to 4 which is not equal to 0. That means A inverse exists. A inverse exists means we can calculate the value of inverse of A. To get the value of inverse of A, what we are needed? We have to first find cofactor of A and after that adjoint of A. Then use the formula A inverse is equal to adjoint A by determinant A and calculate the value of x, y, z. So first we find what is the value of A inverse. So cofactor of A is equal to, see here how we calculate cofactor of A. Cofactor of 1, if we have to find cofactor of M, here will be cancel R1 and R2, we will get 0, 2, 1, 1. Here element will be 0, 2, 1, 1. So this will equal to 0 minus 2. You will get this is equal to 0 minus 2. And for this number, you will get 1, 3, 2, 1. 1, 3, 2, 1. So this is your 1 minus 6. Here you will get 1 minus 6. And for similarly, for this element, cofactor of this one is equal to 1, 0, 3, 1. 1, 0, 3, 1. So this is equal to 1 minus 0. And after that, cofactor of this one. Cofactor of this term is 1 is equal to 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1, 1. So this will be your 1 minus 1. And cofactor of this 0. This will equal to 1, 1, 3, 1. 1, 1, 3, 1. So we can write 1 minus 3. So you can write 1 minus 3. After that, cofactor of these two. So cancel this and cancel this. We will get 1, 1, 3, 1. So this is your 1 minus 3. So 1 minus 3. After that, cofactor of this one. This number 3. This will equal to 1, 1, 0, 2. So this is your 2 minus 0. So you can write 2 minus 0. And after of cofactor of this one. So we will get 1, 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 1, 2. So 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1. And after that cofactor of last term 1 will be 1, 1, 1, 0. 1, 1, 1, 0. So we will get 0 minus 1. 0 minus 1. And after that put the sign plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus. Here will be plus. So solving this can be written as, or this will be equal to 0 minus 2. You will get minus 2. 1 minus 6 minus 5 and minus, this is your plus 5. 1 minus 0 you will get 1. 1 minus 1 0 minus, so you will get 0. And 1 minus 3 this will be your minus 2. and 1 minus 3 minus 2 or minus, so this is your plus 2, and 2 minus 0 you can write 2, and 2 minus 1 1 and minus sign, so this will be your minus 1, and 0 minus 1 again minus 1. So cofactor of A will be your minus 2 1 5, 0 minus 2 2, 2 minus 1 1. So what is the transpose of A? Transpose of A. Transpose of A is equal to not transpose of A, adjoint of A. What is adjoint of A? Adjoint of A is equal to transpose of this cofactor. इस cofactor का transpose लेना है adjoint निकालने के लिए. So we will change R1 to C1. इसके रो को इसको कॉलम में लिखिए. So you may write minus 2 5 1 0 minus 2 2 0 minus 2 2, and after that 0 minus 2 2 2 minus 1 minus 1 2 minus 1 minus 1. So A inverse is equal to your formula is adjoint A divided by determinant of A. So this can be written as adjoint A determinant of A already 4, and adjoint A here you have written. So 1 by 4 into minus 2 0 2 5 minus 2 minus 1 1 2 minus 1. So this is the value of A inverse. Now come to our linear equation. This is your linear equation, and this linear equation can be written as, if we try to find here A is equal to, so this is here coefficient is 1 1 1. So this can be written as 1 1 1 1 0 2 1 0 2 and 3 1 1 3 1 1. X is equal to, what is the value of X? X will be your X Y Z. Variables are X Y Z, and B will be equal to 6 7 minus 12. 6 7 and 12. This is the value of B. 6 7 and 12. So check here. This A and here A both are same. 1 1 1 1 0 2 3 1 1. So here we can write here Ax is equal to B. Ax is equal to B. That means X must be equal to A inverse B. And we have calculated the inverse of this function. Inverse is here already calculated. So this will be equal to 1 by 4 into minus 2 0 2 5 minus 2 minus 1 1 2 minus 1 into B. B your 6 7 and 12. B your 6 7 and 12. So this will be equal to, multiply these two terms. So this is equal to value of X. Already we have written here. Value of X will be X Y Z. So X Y Z is equal to 1 by 4 into, multiply these two terms. So minus 2 into 6 minus 6 plus 0 plus 24. 6 into 2 minus 12 plus 0 and 6 into 12 12. Again 5 into 6 30 minus 14 minus 12, and after that 6 plus 14 minus 12. So this will equal to 1 by 4 into, here is your 12, and after that this adding these two you will get 4, and 6 plus 14 20 20 minus 12 8. So this will equal to 3 3 1 2. So we have get value of X will be equal to 3. So X is equal to 3, Y is equal to 1, and Z is equal to 2. So watch here, what are the steps? Steps is, first we calculate the value of determinant of A, then calculate cofactor of A, and after that adjoint of A, and use the formula A inverse is equal to adjoint A by determinant of A. We will get the value of A inverse. After getting the value of A inverse, we check this equation. This equation, the value of A is same or not. If value of A is same, then we will get the value, use the value of A inverse here. If this is not same, then try to change in the term of this term. So here it is same, so we will use A inverse is equal to this term. So use here, write the value of A inverse and multiply B, we will get the value of X, Y, Z. I hope it is clear for you, and you see the steps of the equation. See here, in 2017, question is like this: use the product 2 matrix are also given, and in first set question is x minus y plus 2z is equal to 1, twice y minus 3z is equal to 1, and 3x minus 2y plus 4z is equal to 2. So in first set number 1 question is this, but in set number 2 equation is changed. Equation is like this, but we have to use product this for both the equation. See here how we solve this question. When product is given only 1, so here question is given 1 minus 2 2. First you write the product. This will your 1 minus 1 2, 0 2 minus 3 3 minus 2 4, and this should be multiplied with minus 2 0 1 9 2 minus 3 6 1 minus 2. So we have to multiply these two. So multiply R1 to this C1. So this will be equal to, watch here how we multiply. Multiply R1 to C1. 1 into minus 2, minus 2. Minus 1 into 9, minus 9. 2 into 6, 12. Here is plus 12. Again 0 into minus 2, 0. 2 into 9, plus 18. And minus 3 into 6. This is your minus 18. And after that 3 into minus 2. Minus 6, minus 2 into 9, minus 18, and 4 into 6. This is your 24. So we will get multiply R1, R2, R3 to C1, and after that we multiply this C2. So 1 into 0, 0, minus 1 into 2, minus 2, 2 into 1, plus 2, 0 into 0, 0, 2 into 2, plus 4, and minus 3 into 1, minus 3, and after that 3 into 0, 0, minus 2 into 2, minus 4, plus 4 into 1, 4 into 1, plus 4, and after that multiply with C3, 1 into 1, 1, minus 1 into 3, plus 3, 2 into minus 2, this is your minus 4. So 0 into 1, 0, 2 into minus 3, minus 6, and minus 3 into minus 6, this is your plus 6, and after that 3 into 1, 3, minus 2 into 3, plus 6, and 4 into 2, plus 8. So solving, see here, this becomes in the term of 9 or 2 11, 12 में से 11 गया 8, 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 0 1. So this is a identity matrix. Identity matrix means these two are inverse of each other. What is the meaning? If product of two matrices are identity, that means these two are inverse of each other. Now come to first question. First question is solving first question. First. So here A is equal to A is how much? 1 minus 1 2. 1 minus 1 2. A is 1 minus 1 2. 0 2 minus 3. 0 2 minus 3. And 3 minus 2 4. 3 minus 2 and 4. And x is equal to, this will equal to x, y, z. And b is equal to 1 1 2. 1 1 2. So watch here. Check here A. Value of A is equal to which matrix? Say here 1 minus 1 2, 0 2 minus 3, 3 minus 2 1. Same. These two are same. That means this is the inverse of A. This matrix means, or this term will be inverse of A. So here you can write clearly that here A inverse is equal to minus 2, 0, 1, 9, 2, minus 3, 6, 1, minus 2. So watching this, once again see how we calculate inverse. Here see here, these two terms are equal. That means remaining term will be inverse of these two matrices because these two are inverse of each other. So because they are equal to identity element. So we have calculated inverse directly using the product. इस प्रोडक्ट का यूज करके बच्चों हमने A इनवर्स का वैल्यू निकाल लिया. And after use the formula, we find calculate that Ax is equal to B. That means Ax must be equal to A inverse B. So first you write A inverse. A inverse is your how much? Minus 2, 0, 1, 9, 2, 3, 6, 1 minus 2 into B. B is equal to 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. So solve this. This will equal to x is equal to how much? X, y, z. So we can write x, y, z is equal to x, y, z is equal to. So this will equal to multiply these two. X, y, z is equal to. So this can be written as minus 2 into 1 minus 2, 0 into 1 plus 0, 1 into 2 plus 2, and 9 into 1 9, 2 into 2 plus 2, 3 into 2 minus 6, and 6 into 1 6, 1 into 1 1, 2 into 2 4. So this will be equal to 0, 5. Say 6 plus 1 7 minus 4 3. So we have got x is equal to 0, y is equal to 5, and z is equal to 3. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 5, and z is equal to 3. Put this value in any of the equation. Here x minus y plus 2z is equal to 1. So x is your 0 minus y. So this is your minus 5 plus 2z, 3 into root 6. So minus 5 plus 6 is equal to 1. So this satisfies the equation. That means our answer is correct. Now watch here. We have to see the second part. For second part, we have to also use these results. We have to use also these results. So what we will find? See here, this result will be equal to multiple. Using this product, we have to find the result. So what is the difference between A? If you check here, second part is your this here. So here A is different. A is equal to, here A is different. So A is equal to what? So see here, A will be equal to here. If you watch this result, A will be equal to 1, 0, 3, minus 1, 2, minus 2, 2, minus 3, 4. X, Y, Z, and B is also different. This is your 9, 4 and minus 3. 9, 4 and minus 3. Check here. A is here 1, 0, 3, minus 1, 2, minus 2, 2, minus 3, 4. And comparison between these two. What is equal to this? Here, check here. 1, 0, 3. 1, 0, 3. Here, वहाँ वो R1 में है. यहाँ कहाँ क्या है? C1 में है. Minus 1, 2, minus 2. Minus 1, 2, minus 2. और यहाँ 2, minus 3, 4. 2, minus 3, 4. So, what will be the inverse of these terms? Here, only simple, how we calculate the A inverse. A inverse will be, see here, this term is transpose of this term. So, your A inverse is equal to transpose of this term. So, if you take a transpose of this term, this will your minus 2, 0, 1, 9, 2, minus 3, 6, 1, minus 2. Check here how I have written here this. Watch here this original equation. If you solve the linear equation this term, this will your A is here this, and this is transpose of this term. So A inverse must be transpose of this term. So A inverse is equal to this, and we will use this will be equal to x, y, z, and is equal to A inverse. A inverse is here minus 2, 9, 0, 0, 2, 1, 1, minus 3, minus 2, and B is also 9, 4, minus 3. 9, 4, minus 3. So multiply these two terms, we can write x, y, z is equal to, multiply here, 9 into 2, minus 18, 9 into 4, plus 36, 0 into minus 3, minus 0. 0 into minus 3, minus 2, 9, 0, minus 2, 9. This is minus 9, 2 into 4, plus 8, and minus 3 into this. This is your minus 3. Again check here. 0 into 9. 0 into 9 is 0, 2 into 4, 8, and 1 into minus 3, minus 3. Again 1 into 9, 9, minus 3 into 4, minus 12, and minus 2 into minus 3, plus 6. So this will be equal to, what is equal to? 18, 18, 36, 36 minus 36, 0, 8 minus 3, your 5, and 9 plus 6, 15, 15 minus 12, you will get 3. So from here we can say that x is equal to 0, y is equal to 5, and z is equal to 3. And watch, this answer is correct or not. So put here, x plus 3z is equal to 9, x is 0, and 3z, 3 into 3, 9. So this satisfies the equation, that means our answer is correct. तो आपने देखा एक ही क्वेश्चन से एक ही मल्टीपल है, इससे सीबीएसई में दो अलग अलग तरीके में क्वेश्चन आ सकते हैं. सेट 1 अलग आएगा, सेट 2 अलग आएगा, बट वी हैव टू यूज द सेम प्रोडक्ट. दिस क्वेश्चन इज फ्रॉम मिसलेनियस एक्सरसाइज ऑफ एनसीईआरटी. क्वेश्चन इज 2yx plus 3yy plus 10yz is equal to 4, 4yx minus 6yy plus 5yz is equal to 1, 6yx plus 9yy minus 20yz is equal to 2. So this is in the form of your variables or in the form of fraction. No problem. You can write this for me here. A is equal to 2, 3, 10, 4 minus 6, 5, 6, 9 minus 20. And b is equal to, x is equal to, in the fraction form, this is your 1 by x, 1 by y, 1 by z, and b is equal to 4, 1, 2. So first we have to find the value of x, y, z. So first we find what is the determinant of a. Determinant of a is equal to 2 into 6 into 20, 120 minus 45. Minus 3 into 6 into 4 into minus 20, minus 80, minus 30, plus 10 into 9 into 4, 36, plus 36. So this will be equal to, this is your 75 into 2, 150, minus minus plus, 110 into 3, 330, plus 720, and this is equal to 1200. This not equal to 0, so A inverse exists. That means we can calculate the value of A inverse. After getting the value of A inverse, then we have to find cofactor of A. Right here, cofactor of A. Cofactor of A is equal to, what is the cofactor of A? See here, I am doing directly. So first you write 6 into minus and 9 into 5. So you may write 120 minus 45. 120 minus 45. And for this element 3, you can write 4 into this and 6 into 5. So you may write minus 80 minus 30. And for this element 10, you can write 4 into 9 and 6 into 6. So you may write 36. So this will be equal to, check here will be, पहले हम इस 2 का निकालेंगे, तो 120 minus 45, फिर इस 3 का, minus 80 minus 30, फिर इस 10 का, 9 into 4, 36 plus 36. अब इस 4 का, 3 into minus 20, 60, and 9 into 10, 90, minus 60 minus 90, minus 60 minus 90, and after that we will write for this minus 6, इसके लिए minus 40 minus 60, minus 40 minus 60, and after that for this 5, this is your 18 minus 18, 18 minus 18, and after that for this 6, this is your 15 plus 60, 15 plus 60. And after that for this 9, for 2 into 5, 10, and 4 into 10, 20, 10 minus 40, 10 minus 40, 10 minus 10 minus 40, and with this minus 20, minus 12, minus 12. So you may write here minus 12, minus 12. And after that plot the sign, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. So this will be equal to, this is your 120 minus 45, 25, and here is 110, 72, 150 minus 100 100 0 75 30 minus 30 plus 30, and this is your minus 24. So a joint of A is equal to, change into R1 to C1, so 75 110 72. इस R1 के जगह हम इसको C1 में लिख दिए, and after that 150 minus 100 and 0 75 30 minus 24. So we will use the formula A inverse is equal to a joint A upon determinant of A. So this will equal to 1 by 1200 into 75 150 75 110 minus 100 30 72 0 minus 24. चेक इट इज करेक्ट और नॉट. चेक कीजिए ये सही है या गलत है. 75 150 75 110 minus 100 30 72 0 minus 24. Yes, that is correct. And after that we come to the equation. Right here Ax must be equal to B. That means x is equal to A inverse B. X means x is equal to 1 by x, 1 by y, 1 by z is equal to A inverse. A inverse you have already calculated. So this will equal to 1 by 1200, 75, 150, 75, 110, minus 100, 30, 72, 0, minus 24 into B. B is your 412. B is here 412. So you multiply, this will equal to 1 by 1200 into 75 into 4, 300 plus 150 into 1, 150 plus 75 into 2, 150 is equal to 110 into 4, 440 minus 100 plus 60, and after that 72 into 4, 8, 288 plus 0 minus 48. So this will be equal to, so this is equal to, so this can be written as or equal to 1 by 1200 into 150 150 300 300 on 300 600 into 440 plus 60 500 minus 400 into 288 minus 48 240, and break it, इसको आप इस मैट्रिक्स के भीतर ले जाइए. So this is your 1 by 2, 1 by 3 and 1 by 5. So we have calculated that 1 by x, 1 by y, 1 by z. This will equal to 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 5. So here 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by x is equal to 1 by 2. So this can we can write x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3 and z is equal to 5. Now watch, the answer is correct or not. जांच करें कि आंसर सही है या गलत है. यहाँ देखिए x का वैल्यू 2 पुट कीजिए. 2 by 2 1, y का वैल्यू 3 है 3 by 3 1, z का वैल्यू 5 है 10 by 5 2. So 1 plus 2 is equal to 4. So this satisfies the equation. So our answer is correct. Here is two questions for your homework. First is CBSE 2016 question. Using elementary transformation, find the inverse of the matrix A equal to 8 4 3 2 1 1 1 2 2 and solve the equation 8x plus 4y plus 3z is equal to 19, 2x plus y plus z is equal to 5, x plus 2y plus 2z is equal to 7. Answer is already given. X will be 1, y is equal to 2 and z is equal to 1. So it is clear from the question that solution of linear transformation may not be only using the cofactor method. In examination also are using elementary transformation. So elementary transformation is also important. So you take serious to solve a matrix using elementary transformation. Second question is from your miscellaneous exercise. Question is, without expanding, if A, B, C are in AP, so that this value of determinant is equal to 0, x plus 2, x plus 3, x plus 4, x plus 3, x plus 4, x plus 5, x plus 2a, x plus 2b, x plus 2c. Question is given without expanding. That means we cannot expand this value and try to solve that. It is equal to this will equal to 0. So dear student, this is, I hope I have completed my problem or also completed the topic linear equation by matrix method. If you have any query or problem, then ask in comment section. I will help you. Thank you.